Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you have been using Shopify for a while now in 2026 and you just want to go ahead and enable Google Pay. Well, Google Pay helps Android and Chrome users check out quickly. So in today's small tutorial I'll make sure to show you all of them easy steps so we can access this feature. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first, go all the way to Shopify, the usual stuff. You can either go to shopify.com or just look for it in Google or Bing or whatever you are using. Then tap on login, use your email address and password. And that's the main steps. For me, I'm just gonna go through this admin link. It's basically mine. As for now, you should be able to see once you open the new window, this activate or on payment provider. I'm gonna tap on activate. Then, as you see here, I'm on payments. You can basically enable Shopify payments, searching with payment providers. You can choose a provider from here. You can also check the supported payment methods that are available with one of Shopify's approved payment providers. We have PayPal here. You can even add another one or search by provider. For example, we're gonna go Google. So, okay, let's tap on search by provider. Google Pay, for example, or Apple Pay. So which actually depends on you. If you are in a country that supports this type, like Google Pay or Apple Pay, it will show automatically in the list. If you are not, you are just in a place where this option isn't supported, so it's totally fine. You can go ahead and ask the support, give them your location, or basically ask them any questions, and they're gonna send you an email or a message, or they're gonna tell you what's up. And that's basically it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.